Are you coming?
Chubby buttons?
Hey guys, I'm really excited to try out the new IceBRKR bone conduction goggles.
I got the new IceBRKR goggles here with bone conduction technology.
Today I'm gonna try out the new IceBRKR bone conduction goggles.
All right, let's see how these sound.
I'm gonna show you how to set them up. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is press the button. Once you hear the beep, you know you're paired. You just put them on and you're ready to play your music.
All right.
I love these new IceBRKR goggles. The bone conduction technology allows me to listen to my music while still being able to hear what's going on around me.
Imagine getting to leave your headphones at home instead of having to bring them up on the slopes with you and deal with all the cords around your face. You don't have to do that with the awesome bone conduction audio technology. You have great sound, no cords, and you can keep hearing what's going on around you for safety purposes too.
So I'm really loving this design. They're super cool and super comfortable to wear.
They sound great. I can still hear what's going on around me while I'm skiing.
I have no idea how the Bluetooth 5.0 mesh intercom technology works, but all I know is that I love how I can talk with friends and take phone calls and stay connected completely hands-free while I'm riding my board.
One of my favorite parts about these goggles is that you can switch out the lenses into different colors or for different conditions on the slope so you can see better. It's super duper cool because you can match them to your outfit or just adjust to your needs for the day.
I love the design and they're super comfortable. I can wear them all day.
Overall, I really love these goggles. They're definitely a must-have on the mountain for this winter.
The next time I hit the slopes, I know I'll be wearing these new IceBRKRs. I never thought I'd be able to feel so safe while still being so entertained.
I'm super pumped to get on the slopes this winter with these super sick goggles, the IceBRKR bone conduction goggles. You should get them too so we can chat on the slopes and have a great sesh together.
I'm loving these goggles.
Weather is unpredictable. Don't get caught off guard ever again. With the HOMI jacket, be ready anytime, anywhere, for anything. Revolutionary self-heating technology takes you from cold to cozy with the click of a button. We've even included a retractable magnetic face mask for your warmth. Getting sweaty? Quickly chill off with HOMI's cool air ventilation system. Stay cool, friend. The HOMI jacket is so windproof that storms are laughable, and so waterproof it's like a slap in the face of Poseidon himself. Oh, you're a traveler? The HOMI jacket features mega-resistant shoulder pads to stand up to the slip-on, slip-off wear and tear caused by your shoulder straps. What's a revolutionary jacket without 13 custom sewn pockets? iPad pocket, passport pocket, phone pocket, pen pocket, NFC commuter card sleeve pocket, power bank pocket, pockets for everything. Well, just about everything. Since the HOMI jacket delivers the warmth of a down jacket and the size of a windbreaker, you can save room in your bags for other things. Click to heat, zip to cool. The slimmer, lighter, warmer smart jacket has arrived. Be ready anytime, anywhere, for anything.
Hey there, you must be a skiing professional.
I wish, but the truth is I'm just not good at skiing at all. I'm constantly afraid that I'll fall down and hurt myself or something.
Then why not try Stacky Controls? With Stacky Controls, you'll have absolutely nothing to fear.
Stocky controls?
Yes, Stacky Controls. They're incredibly safe and stable skis. What makes Stacky Controls so special is the tail end design, which help the skier not to cling to an uneven surface. Instead, the skier will be brought back to a balanced position. This is why Stacky Controls are not only suitable for beginners, but also for experienced skiers who like to ski off-piste.
Wow.
And best of all, they easily fit into the trunk of your car.
No way, that's amazing.
I know, right? Because the skis come in a very short design. They're also very easy to carry, thanks to how incredibly lightweight they are.
That's so cool.
Stacky Controls are suitable for both beginner skiers and adrenaline junkies alike. They were truly made for everyone.
That's right. Hi Kickstarter, my name is David Rubeck and I am head of Stacky team. Here at Stacky we spent over a year developing a new model of safe and stable skis, Stacky Controls. And I'm proud to say that this model is the ultimate one. We've managed to create smart construction skis that provide beginners with safe and improve the performance for advanced skiers. Right now, our goal is actually start to producing Stacky Controls, and for that, we will need your help.
This new model is equipped with a more specific binding from Tyrolia, which is movable, and also a new and improved stabilizing tail, which no longer just sits on the ski, but is actually more naturally connected to the ski. This innovation not only adds to the aesthetic value, but also to the functionality of the skis themselves.
People are always surprised by Stacky's high effectiveness. Finally, that we'll be able to enjoy skiing completely worry-free. Stacky skis are designed to make skiing a more pleasant and comfortable experience unlike you have ever experienced before. Thank you for your support and we wish you a good ride.
My name is Kai Gear. I'm the inventor of the slope deck. I came up with the concept of the slope deck because I wanted to turn my backyard into a skate park. Slope deck's patent pending MorphTech base involves an offset base with arc grooves. The base itself is high density polyethylene. It is CNC milled right here in Nelson. The decks come from Quebec and it's 7-ply Canadian maple, 2 coats of urethane for waterproofing, very robust. They have leash attachment holes on the tip and tail. It's bi-directional, so you can use it either way. The top is made from 1/8" EVA. In between the deck And the base is a 1-inch polyethylene spacer, closed cell foam, which serves to be a spacer to offset the base, but also to prevent snow from being compacted between the base and deck. Slope decks are basically another offering in the realm of binding-free boards. We have pow surfers and no boards, and they're for powder. I wanted to capture that elemental feel in a more urban or packed snow setting. So your backyard, the city park, golf course, that kind of environment is where slope decks shine.
All other heated gloves on the market are bulky, unyielding, and hard to maneuver, which kind of defeats the purpose of having hands, right? People walking their dogs in the winter, taking selfies at bonfires, tailgating football games, they needed something better, something more versatile. For the last 4 years, our mission has been to give the people back control over their climate, to optimize their time spent in the cold outdoors, and to have fun in the colder months again. We call these gloves 3-in-1 because you can wear the inner fleece liner for a more casual look, the outer liner for more extreme environments, or both pieces together for the ultimate heated glove experience. Combined with the soft inner lining, you can do any winter-related activities without your fingers going numb, thanks to the reinforced outer shell. With 3 adjustable heat settings, you can choose the perfect level of warmth for your hands.
For many people, skiing is more than a pastime, it's a passion. And when your body is the barrier to you experiencing that, that's where Roam comes in. The first product we're developing is a skiing device. It's going to sense what you're doing as you're going down the snow and respond accordingly. It feels like skiing, and the device is just there to help you.
The Elevate device uses a pair of pneumatic actuators, so basically little airbags that live next to your legs. It feels like you're sort of riding on a cushion.
Elevate is designed to accommodate different levels and different skier styles by constantly getting feedback from the user. So it's knowing your body position, it's seeing how you're moving, and it's adjusting the response to your style and your position. That translates to less wear and tear on your body. I think Elevate will work really well for people that feel a little limited in their skiing.
Skiers would use a device like this to be able to spend more time out on the snow and not let fatigue or knee pain be the thing that pulls them off the slopes.
This technology, it's an opportunity to allow us to go further and live more full lives as we grow older.
At Roam, we're a mobility company. So we're a team of people who are committed to making people more mobile. Our goal is to make people go more, do more, see more.